momentum. You can hear the engine in the background. Taking off directly, straight up. The crowd watches in awe. Mr. Sikorsky moves back and forth. This is the helicopter which was the first successfully flown on this side of the world and holds most of the records for its type of craft. Here today with the replica of Independence Hall rising majestically in the background, with thousands of school children looking on, Igor Sikorsky is making the last flight in the VS-300 after years of experimental research, which most certainly will bring to man a new and safer means of transportation by air.